Welcome to Mathmotif's batch query function. From here, a user can submit their peaks in BED format and receive an analysis of transcription factors within the database also present at those peaks. Starting with the title, enter an informative title for the analysis. Next, select the cell line most relevant to the peaks provided from the drop-down menu. For this example, I will use HCT116. Now we can provide peaks in a BED file format. Please reference the UCSC format guide for precise specifications on a BED file. The last step, fill in the CAPTCHA and then click Submit. For this example, we will use the demo set results. Navigate up to Results and click on Results. After clicking the results hyperlink, Mathmotif will populate an area under the submission form with demo results. The results list the cell line, the transcription factor enriched, the family that transcription factor belongs to, as well as the number of peak regions provided that overlap with CPP beta's peak regions in HCT116. These results are available for download from the download link here. For a deeper level of analysis on user-supplied peaks, we suggest looking into our R library, tfregulome R.